Welcome back to the channel. I've been busy this week with cleaning out my shed and cleaning this a little bit, the kitchen, but also all the stuff that I need to sell, you know. All this stuff over here, all this stuff, all that stuff, all the comic books, and it's been a lot of work because I've been, making photos of each and every one individually, trying to put them on marketplace and somehow sell them, and all this stuff. Also, I've done most of this and that, but I made the pictures, I put them on my computer or whatsoever. It's been lots of work because for everything you have to have a detailed description. So it's been hours of work just putting it on there. And the requests are coming in for, if they want them on art, but it says specifically in the advert that they should pick them up. I am not going to send them because if I do that, then I need a whole lot of packaging and all sorts of stuff, which I don't really have the space for. So I thought, just put it in the description also that it's pickup only, because that's a lot of work. And also I have to react on everything, and people don't always react back or just sit there, It's been challenging, but I've sold some stuff already. I sold the all the puzzles. I got 5 puzzles. I sold them to one person who wanted to buy it, and I sold something else. I don't know what exactly, but anyway, here's a video about that. Also been busy with the mushrooms, cutting them up and cleaning the kitchen and do the laundry. Sorry, it's an object, you don't have to say sorry. And doing all the laundry and taking my bed into the washer. It was a mess here. It was purposely, I thought maybe just one day I'll do the interior, but it's a lot of work. subscribe in the video and leave a comment what to do next, because I have a lot of stuff to do and I'm feeling a lot better. You know, the therapy that I went through, it's EMDR. I got 2 weeks. I got rid of 21 traumas, and I'm feeling a bit more energized and happy. So just follow and leave a like, whatever. I'm here to entertain you, and I'm hoping to go to France one day in the upcoming months, hopefully, and search for a house. So yeah, that's the story.